That is my dream.
Ajmo, kak? A ne znam. Asti gospe! Ajme šta su lipe boje.
Ola, brale.
Vidi ove ovdje dušice.
Da.
Ajme pogledajte ovo.
Ajme ljudi da.
Vidi ova naša boja. Je predivno nešto. Today we are doing a drawing challenge. Let me just find props.
But we got a drawing challenge with a twist. First thing first, we're gonna draw stuffs left-handed. Yes. We're gonna do it with left hand.
Let's try. So first one, we have to draw the last thing you ate.
Potato!
1 minute counting down.
Ajde. Why are you so big again?
This is how I roll. I think I'm done.
I'm done as well, but it looks this was a better idea. This is a big potato and a small plate.
The last thing we ate, and we ate the same thing because we ate together.
Yes.
The reason why mine is so big and hers like this is because I'm brainwashed by Academy of Fine Arts, because if you have paper this big, everything needs to be covered. Like, you cannot do in just one piece. You need to own the space.
Yeah.
That's why this.
I mean, it looks good, but I'm just. It's a waste of paper.
Academy.
Okay.
What is next?
Things you do before bed. Okay. Let's go. It's so hard to draw with left hand. I look like a fucking screen.
This is so bad.
I think me and Edward had the same idea.
Which Edward?
On the draws the screen.
What the fuck? I'm scared, Mom. Come pick me up.
It's so hard to do it like.
What? Are you screaming before bedtime?
What is I should start?
I guess so. I just like draw a random like bottle of water because I'm drinking water. Potato.
My perspective is something else. Oh my god, I know what this will look like.
We didn't set a fucking timer, so we're probably done by now.
Yes. I love this perspective.
This is perspective of a stalker behind your mirror. This is when you have double-sided mirror. And I'm afraid Ela is some kind of killer.
I knew that I did it wrong, but I just kept going because it's.
What is that? So I drew myself brushing teeth.
Yeah, this is my skincare.
Yeah. And a bottle of water because I drink a ton of water, and me scrolling on my cell phone.
Nice. This is the only consistent thing that I do each night. I do skincare.
Yeah.
Everything else is like water. Maybe if I'm feeling like I'm better than anyone else.
So I am better than anyone else. I knew it.
1 minute starting now.
Here we go. She did a slice. I did the whole cake.
I did a
Come
cheesecake.
on.
I do not eat whole cheesecake.
Yes, I eat the whole fucking cake. It's a birthday cake, of course.
That's why somebody had an
And
ad.
it's some chocolate. The whole cake, not this.
I will never draw a whole cake
Why?
because I don't want to eat a whole cake.
You never want to eat the whole cake?
No.
You don't want to like shove your face inside of the cake?
No.
Like motorboat the cake?
No.
Why? Next up is dream job.
Dream job? Oh shit.
Like I have that.
Yes, like I knew what that
I have many.
is. Problem with the dream job is how to choose one thing.
Yes.
So that's very hard because if I knew what dream job for me is, I would already make
Then I don't know.
Having a
Should we?
galaxy.
Having a galaxy?
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
World domination. Let's try to. So eyes closed. You know they have like when you join like this could be like next level after this.
Oh my
It's
god.
gonna be hard as fuck.
Are we drawing the dream job?
I don't think so. I don't know.
Okay, that's too challenging. for
Yes,
now.
we don't know what the dream job is.
It will find us.
I do not dream of labor.
Yes.
That's first.
Draw items that you collect. We already thought about that. I only collect makeup, I guess, but I don't even collect that. Lenses and wigs. I would love to have a lot of lenses and wigs.
I don't want to have anything.
Good. Cats?
Yes, I could only, but I even don't want to have too much cats because that is a personal responsibility. I don't want to
Yeah.
have.
I like shoes, but not like sneakers. I love heels.
You want to make me choose?
Yes, I think I could have like a million heels, wear a different pair each day, or like super cool sneakers.
Only thing I would love to collect is money and experiences.
Fun.
You know, like I would like to collect memories.
She almost started crying.
Why are we so philosophic today?
No. Next up, will we choose finally 5 weird haircut ideas? Okay.
And this is with eyes closed.
Oh my god.
Oh
Okay.
shit, this is so gonna be so weird.
5 weird ones.
Let's go.
2 minutes, counting down.
I hope you're not cheating and having eyes open.
No, I'm not.
Like I have no fucking idea what am I doing. I don't even know if I'm on paper anymore. Oh my god.
What is a weird hairstyle?
I will say I'm done.
5?
Yeah. Yeah, I have 5.
I don't think so. I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. I think.
No, you have 3.
3?
What? Yeah, you have 4.
And 1 more. Think of a weird hairstyle. I know. This will look weird. Fucking perspective. I don't even know what it is.
What kind of puke hairs is this? This I must say Ella is missing something. What? A dick.
No! This is long hair.
Yeah, but how
It's super
is
long.
that weird?
But it's super fucking long. It's to like to the floor. It's
Like
weird.
too many people have that shit.
No, they don't.
Okay. I got almost to stay.
Yes, so how is that weird? Long curly hair.
No, it's because she's defying gravity. You're standing like here, you see,
Where?
like this.
What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know. And you talk shit about mine.
Every home was the same one.
Yeah.
So this is some kind of space, but I have some geometry.
These are like spikes. Like 3 hairs sticking from
Yeah,
here
yeah.
and here. This is like a
Plant.
no, it's like a ponytail that's like tall, but everywhere else you're bald. So you have like a tall ponytail coming from here.
That is fucking weird.
Yes. And then this is like a receding hairline.
Uh-huh.
Like the old guys have,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
from
yeah,
here to here. That's like, if you can rock that, bravo to you.
So this is our haircuts. They're supposed to be weird as fuck. Basil.
Draw 3 of your hobbies with your eyes closed.
Let me think about. Can I do anything?
3 hobbies then, or whatever.
What are my hobbies? Everything I do is my job and my hobby.
Okay.
And my hobby.
I will do them next.
Hej Siri brate. Miki Mia ne.
1 minute, starting now.
3
Nice.
hobbies.
Okay. I think someone could get what this is. Is this camera?
Yeah.
Okay. This is dancing. This is yoga.
She managed to decipher this. Okay, it's braiding, it's obvious body paint and probably bite.
Yes.
Good thing we know each other.
Yes.
And I have a dick too.
Why does my brain have a face?
2 times. It is haunted.
It looks like
More important, why your bike have vampire teeth?
draw some fruits or plants with faces.
Dobra. Okay. Let's say I'm done.
Oh my god, it's avocado.
Yes. It's a ghost avocado. What is this, strawberry?
Yes. Watermelon. This was like an apple or something.
Yeah. Apple, watermelon, and avocado.
Almost the same fruit.
Why we have one brain cell?
These faces are haunted.
Yes. And my avocado is legit ghost.
3, 2, 1, go. Draw, Olya.
My mind went blank.
I think I'm done.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Oh, nice. Is that a poop?
Yeah. It's a random object. It's working. It's a poop. Draw things that sparkle. Yes.
Like that?
Yeah.
What the fuck sparkles?
I know.
You know.
I know. For a change, I know.
Okay.
Ah shit! I went outside the paper.
I have no idea how I will do this correctly.
Yeah, same. I think this will be fucking mess, but I'm just gonna go with it. I don't know what the fuck.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
What is it? Light? Yeah, string light. What this supposed to be?
A globe, like a
Disco ball. Yeah. This is disco ball after earthquake.
like Christmas lights. Draw things that have spots.
I have no fucking idea.
Oh my god, I did it so cute! I
I
cannot
cannot.
believe I couldn't draw this even with my eyes open.
Ah, Dalmatian. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but
His face is so adorable. And this is a ladybug.
you know, only
I
thing,
can't think of like things.
yeah, only thing
Swat-
that come to my mind is like umbrella with dots,
Yeah.
pattern with dots, my mom's shirt with dots, and
Okay,
that's,
why not?
and I just stay blank.
What's on your desk? What's on my desk? What's not on my desk? Oh my god, it's flying off the table.
It exploded.
This is like a plant?
Yes, this is like a plan. This is like Signor Mercaccione. This is supposed to be a mouse and
Keyboard?
keyboard, and this like supposed to be just type of paper.
This is my laptop with the mouse.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a palette and a
Mhm.
brush, and this is like a cup with brushes. And this is supposed to be a mirror, but it failed. And this is
I
a
don't know
table.
how after everything we did this day, we failed so miserably with table shit.
So we're done.
I think we are done. So, first of all, if you are worried about amount of paper we use, don't worry because all the paper are gonna be melted into a mush for making a paper mache. And second of all, what do you think about this challenge, Ela?
This was interesting.
Yes, I agree.
I can draw better with my eyes closed than with my left hand. Now,
Thank you very much for watching this. We
we
are.
hope we inspired you to
Yes.
go and draw something. Anyone can be an artist. Don't let them tell you differently.
But if you come to me, I will tell you differently.
Shut up.
If you enjoy this kind of shit, like and subscribe and write to us to do more.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, bitch.
Bye.